tight. So we got warm up the black.
Yeah, that's a fact. You heard what this brother just said?
Yeah, that's important.
Warming up. It's important, man.
Sometimes we know better and we're doing it, but we don't do it too quick.
Yeah.
And we come on.
Yeah, you know. You're just so excited to get out here and shit. And get to it. So you just take that precaution. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta float before. Good looks, Brody. Good looks, bro.
I mean, I'm like, man, a lot of pull-ups, man.
Yeah.
So I be watching you and the other dude, you know what I mean?
Right.
And you came a long way because you was
you remember,
me,
yeah, that's a fact.
And you stuck to it. And look at you, kid.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Crazy.
Yeah, I'm just here to show y'all, man. Like, you know what I'm saying?
46, kid.
All right, I couldn't tell, bro. I'd have thought you was a year older than me. I just turned 32, so I just thought we was in the same. Good looking, man. Yeah, keeps coming here, bro. You at the right place, man. You at the right place, brother.
You know what I mean? Like that dude, man. Good.
Good looking, King. That's a fact. Gotta warm up for sure. We've been through those before when we, you know, got them shoulder tears and all type of frozen shoulders and shit. Now I make sure, like, you know what I'm saying? Take that 5 minutes. That 5 minutes could save you months of fucking and years of recovery and shit, man. Yeah, man. You know, before we do come, we do some, you know, some forward, like a little forward, a little backwards. You know what I'm saying? Just to get it going, you know? Peace, salute family once again. We back in the building, or not in the building, because we like the great outdoors all year round. We like the jungle. We like to eat out here. Hot, cold, we showing y'all the progression and the growth and the gains and the gems. So we scaling it down, like I said, for the last video, that we're gonna give y'all some more videos for, like, you know, novices and beginners, helping y'all build up for those super 20 downs and super 12 downs. So today we're gonna use the dip bar, our body weight, and yeah, just to give y'all like a little beginner shit. All right, so we're gonna start with the dips first. Keeping it light numbers and shit. Keeping it light, but at a good pace. You could jump in, Kevin.
On my neck, trying to walk straight. Niggas barely catching up. Fuck it though, they all late. Cuban links, presidential talking all summer. Bought a building in the business, paying all the runners. Cold ice, getting drunk in my new space. Bought a chopper in the maid, nigga for the new place. Flip bitches in the
and then we're gonna do the inverted pull-ups now. Start with the close grip, keep our chest up. We want to pull with our back and our chest. So that's one round.
Rich nigga tell your hoe give me lap dance. You be capping in your raps, you got rap friends. You ain't never we can't slap hands. Yeah, pull that Mac out. Shoot a goofy in his head, I don't slap box. You the type to see the hoes try to act out. Yeah, I pop a beam and I'm blacked out. Call cuz if it's up, bring a K over. I just went to V Live, do a Range Rover. I got all my niggas eat, bring a plate over. Up the Drake spread, nigga right, he gotta paint it over. I walk right up out the feds, got my bag right. Bust Cuban, got my neck like a flashlight. Chopper standing by my leg, I can't stand right. If this wasn't source days, I get 5 mics. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the pen's fast. Niggas racking off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the pen's fast. Niggas racking off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. I can teach you how to do it, just remain humble. Put some money to the side just in case you fumble. Kick the niggas out the business, they just wanna hurt you. Learn everything you know, turn around and work it. Ask me how I know, nigga been a victim to it. Watch the ones that fall in love, the niggas get addicted to it. They ain't loyal, wanna learn, you can follow me. Put them on, still a throne, then probably. Niggas probably being jealous from the start. Niggas why I grab my gun every
every time a nigga park, nigga. Over years, I done learned niggas do this now. I ain't finna play their games, I'ma shoot them down. Got a driver with a gun, fuck a Uber now. Penthouse in the valley, in the hill, a half a mile. I'm the way, in the wave, ain't no stopping this. Niggas try to play me, call it mean, it's time to politic. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. 2 bricks on my neck, tryna walk straight. Niggas barely catching up, fuck it though they all late. Cuban links, presidential talking all summer. Bought a building in the business, paying all the runners. Cold ice, getting drunk in my new space. Bought a chopper in the maid, nigga for the new place. Few bitches sent the text, asking where I been. Probably on the road, counting money in the bins. Then she double back with a text, said she love me. If I tell her back on the hood, she probably lucky. Not a fool, only really want me for the money. I can tell she a hoe by the way she suckin'. When you focus on yourself, it'll make you rich. When you wanna show it off, put it on your wrist. When they playing both sides, shoot them off the fence. Fuck how they feel at the end, it'll make sense. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at.
I with Pac-Man. Rich nigga tell your hoe, give me lap dance. You be capping in your raps, you got rap friends. You ain't never we can't slap hands. Yeah, pull that Mac out. Shoot a goofy in his head, I don't slap box. You the type to see the hoes try to act out. Yeah, I pop a beam and I'm blacked out. Call cuz if it's up, bring a K over. I just went to V Live, do a Range Rover. I got all my niggas eat, bring a plate over. Up the Drake, spread nigga right, he gotta paint it over. I walk right up out the feds, got my bag right. Bust Cuban, got my neck like a flashlight. Chopper standing by my leg, I can't stand right. If this wasn't source days, I get 5 mics.
Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. I can teach you how to do it, just remain humble. Put some money to the side just in case you fumble. Get the niggas out the business, they just wanna hurt you. Learn everything you know, turn around and work it. Ask me how I know, nigga been a victim to it. Watch the ones that fall in love, the niggas get addicted to it. They ain't loyal, wanna learn, you can follow me. Put them on, still a throne, then probably. Niggas probably being jealous from the start, niggas why I grab my gun every time a nigga park, nigga. Over years, I done learned niggas do this now. I ain't finna play their games, I'ma shoot them down. Got a driver with a gun, fuck a Uber now. Penthouse in the valley, in the hill, a half a mile. I'm the way, in the wave, ain't no stopping this. Niggas try to play me, call it mean, it's time to politic. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas bragging off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it with the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. 2 bricks on my neck, tryna walk straight. Niggas barely catching up, fuck it though they all late. Cuban links, presidential talking all summer. Bought a building in the business, paying all the runners. Cold ice, getting drunk in my new space. Bought a chopper in the maid, nigga for the new place. Few bitches sent the text, asking where I been. Probably on the road, counting money in the bins. Then she double back with a text, said she love me. If I tell her back on the hood, she probably lucky. Not a fool, only really want by the way she suck. When you focus on yourself, it'll make you rich. When you wanna show it off, put it on your wrist. When they playing both sides, shoot them off the fence. Fuck how they feel at the end, it'll make sense. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at.
I with Pac-Man. Rich nigga tell your hoe, give me lap dance. You be capping in your raps, you got rap friends. You ain't never we can't slap hands. Yeah, pull that Mac out. Shoot a goofy in his head, I don't slap by. You the type to see the hoes try to act out. Yeah, I pop a beam and I'm blacked out. Call cuz if it's up, bring a K over. I just went to V Live, do a Range Rover. I got all my niggas eat, bring a plate over. Up the Drake, spread nigga right, he gotta paint it over. I walk right up out the feds, got my bag right. Bust Cuban, got my neck like a flashlight. Chopper standing by my leg, I can't stand right. If this wasn't source days, I get 5 mics.
Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. I can teach you how to do it, just remain humble. Put some money to the side just in case you fumble. Get the niggas out the business, they just wanna hurt you. Learn everything you know, turn around and work it. Ask me how I know, nigga been a victim to it. Watch the ones that fall in love, the niggas get addicted to it. They ain't loyal, wanna learn, you can follow me. Put them on, still a throne, then probably. Niggas probably being jealous from the start, niggas why I grab my gun every time a nigga park, nigga. Over years I done learned niggas do this now. I ain't finna play their games, I'ma shoot them down. Got a driver with a gun, fuck a Uber now. Penthouse in the valley, in the hill, a half a mile. I'm the way, in the wave, ain't no stopping this. Niggas try to play me, call it mean, it's time to politic. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at.
I won't ever complain about this type of weapon. Hell.
Making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. 2 bricks on my neck, tryna walk straight. Niggas barely catching up.
In the inferno, baby. It's an inferno. Not for the weak-hearted whatsoever. Even though it's a beginner shit, the day, the type of climate it is, makes it feel kind of advanced.
Only really want me for the money. I can tell she a hoe by the way she suck. When you focus on yourself, it'll make you rich. When you wanna show it off, put it on your wrist. When they playing both sides, shoot them off the fence. Fuck how they feel at the end, it'll make sense. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but would've did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at. Chain heavy, gun heavy, but the Benz fast. Niggas backing off some shit, but we done did that. We ain't making all this money, hard to kick back. Do it when the Glock now, tell me what a cig at.
I with Pac-Man. Rich nigga tell your hoe, give me lap dance. You be capping in your raps, you got rap friends. You ain't never we can't slap hands. Yeah, pull that Mac out. Shoot a goofy in his head, I don't slap by. You the type to see the hoes try to act out. Yeah, I pop a beam and I'm blacked out. Call cuz if it's up, bring a K over. I just went to V Live, do a Range Rover. I got all my niggas eat, bring a plate over. Up the Drake, spread nigga right, he gotta paint it over. I walk right up out the feds, got my bag right. Bust Cuban, got my neck like a flashlight. Chopper standing by my leg, I can't stand right.
That was 10 rounds of 10. Beginner shit. For the novice, it's like a desert out here. No water, straight through, no breaks. You know how we get. You know how we do. Train different, game different. The park is gonna be empty on days like these, but we gonna be here. You already know. Support with the cashapp and the $sign Mshredda. PayPal. 1 chance in a million. You want meal plans, consultations, training programs, everything you need, hit the G, man. I got you. Peace.